How much can you make from just one song? You won't believe it, but some tracks bring their artists millions of dollars. Today, we're breaking down the top 10 Eminem songs that made him even richer. And number 1 will shock you. 10. Godzilla. This track took the charts by storm, and Eminem's insane fast flow is still unmatched. It brought him a total of $5 million.
When the moon shines like ice road truckers.
9. Mockingbird. One of Eminem's most emotional songs, dedicated to his daughter. Millions of people still listen to it today, and it has earned him $6 million.
Little baby, don't you cry, everything's gonna be alright.
8. Rap God. The song that broke records with the fastest rap verse in history. This masterpiece made Eminem $7 million.
See if I get away with it now that I ain't as big as I was, but I'm morphing into an immortal coming through the portal. You're stuck in a time.
7. Stan. Oh, even people who don't listen to rap know this one. The chilling story of a fan who took things way too far. And that iconic line, "Dear Slim, I wrote you, but you still ain't callin'." This hit earned $8.36 million. 6. Without Me. An absolute banger, a crazy music video, and still a party anthem to this day. $9 million in Eminem's pocket. 5. Till I Collapse. A song that became the ultimate motivation anthem. Athletes, fighters, and successful people listen to this before big moments. 9.34 million. Well deserved. Number 4. The Real Slim Shady. This was the moment when the world truly met Slim Shady. A legendary track that brought in $10.5 million. And now, the top 3. These songs changed the music industry and cemented Eminem's legacy. 3. Not Afraid. This song was a statement to the world. Eminem said he's not afraid of anything anymore. And this track made him $10 million.
I'm not afraid to take a stand, take a stand. Everybody.
Number 2. Love the Way You Lie. A legendary duet with Rihanna that topped the charts worldwide. Deep lyrics, powerful delivery. No surprise it earned $12 million.
Window guess that's why they call it window pane.
Just gonna stand there and watch me.
And finally, number 1. Lose Yourself. The song that defined an era. The track that pushes you to go after your dreams. And it made Eminem $15.9 million. And there you have it. Music isn't just an art, it's big business. Which song is your favorite? Drop a comment, hit that like button, and subscribe. This is Music YKT, and I'll see you in the next one.